can a single app really help you understand your menstrual cycle, track your goals, and give insights to improve your health? The Flow app promises to do it all. But does it deliver? I'm Caroline from Healthnews, and in this Flow app review, I'll tell you everything you need to know based on the insights from our Healthnews research team. Flow is a period and fertility tracking app. It lets you mark your period dates and symptoms. Using your log data and AI, the Flow period tracker predicts ovulation, period dates, and even gives you personalized health insights, such as your cycle length and variation. It helps you to understand what's typical for your body and when it might be time to check in with a doctor. What's unique about Flow is their dedication to privacy. All the data you input in the app is encrypted to keep it safe and private. But you can use anonymous mode as well. There are two versions of the Flow app, the free one and premium. The free version only covers the basics. If you want access to all the features, Flow offers a paid premium option. You can choose a monthly plan or the yearly option, which offers bigger savings overall. The premium plan provides a better overall picture of your menstrual cycle and health. It also gives you intel on what your specific symptoms could mean, along with a personalized health assistant and insights from actual health experts. So, if after watching the video you feel Flow Premium is a good fit for you, there's a special deal you can use to save money. Just click the link in the description or scan the QR code. It will give you the best current Flow offer, no matter when you're watching this video. Now let's dive a little deeper into the Flow app and see what features it has. For starters, both the free and the premium versions help you keep track of your period and deliver accurate predictions for ovulation and upcoming cycles. You can mark it all in the easy-to-use calendar, including symptoms like cramps, mood changes, or energy levels. You can always access your cycle history and see predictions of when your next period might come, so you won't be caught off guard. On top of that, there's a secret chat feature that lets you join anonymous discussions and discuss your concerns or share experiences with others. And if you're worried about health data, Flow's anonymous mode adds an extra layer of privacy by detaching your information from any personal identifiers. Now, if you're looking for even more, that's where the premium version comes into play. In the main tab, you can find a symptom checker to help you better understand the meaning behind your log symptoms. Plus, Flow identifies and breaks down recurring symptom patterns. For example, if you log frequent headaches, Flow might suggest exploring potential causes like inadequate hydration or hormonal fluctuations. You can also see long-term cycle trends to help you better understand your body and even generate detailed reports to share with your healthcare provider. And then there's the Health Assistant, an AI-powered tool that helps you understand how your cycle affects your mood, energy, and overall wellness. It doesn't just blurt out paragraphs of generalized info. It actually asks you questions and works with you to deliver personalized insights. For example, the assistant might ask, "Are you feeling more tired than usual?" and adjust its observations accordingly. The premium version also offers daily insights delivered as short, engaging stories that you can find right under the calendar. In the Insights tab, you can also find a huge library of expert content, including articles, videos, and audio from over 100 health professionals. You can share all of this with your significant other too, using the Flow for Partners tool. We found this tool really well thought out, since it can help them understand your body and offer support. It can also be useful if you're trying to get pregnant and want to see the days when you have the best chances. And if you are already pregnant, Flow can track your baby's growth and guide you through the pregnancy stages. The app provides a lot of information and answers to questions you might have. For example, it can tell you what's safe during pregnancy and what activities or food you might want to avoid. However, like any other app, Flow isn't perfect. Here are a few cons we noticed. First off, the free version lacks depth compared to the premium one, and you'll encounter quite a few pop-ups inviting you to upgrade, so it might get annoying. On the flip side, the premium version can get a bit overwhelming for casual users, as not everyone needs the wide array of features Flow has. That said, learning how to use Flow is very easy. You can just start with the basics and explore more as you go. What's more, most of the features are only available when you're online, so if you live in an area with poor connectivity, you might have issues using them. Things like the Health Assistant, personalized insights, articles, and predictions require an internet connection. Also, the price can add up, especially with a monthly subscription. But if you get the annual one and apply the latest deal through the description, it gets pretty cheap. Everyone has a budget, so consider yours. So, is the Flow app worth it? If you're looking to track your cycle and gain a better understanding of your health, it's one of the best apps you can get. While the free version is a good starting point, the premium one delivers useful insights about your cycle trends, symptoms, and provides a more comprehensive picture of your health. Plus, it's also a great information resource with various content by expert health professionals. At the end of the day, Flow is a powerful female health tracking app, but whether it's worth it comes down to your personal needs and budget. I hope this Flow app review helps, and I really recommend you download and explore the app yourself. Just don't forget to grab a special deal from the description below. Thanks for watching, and let me know what other health apps you'd like us to review.